Hello, it's me, Peg, from the Stratford Perth Museum. I'm so excited for today's museum television. I'm going to teach you to do the coolest Christmas craft, winter craft all season. I think this could be done all season, ever. It's the coolest. And after you're done doing this, you're going to think, am I a craft hero? I don't know. Are you? You are. Okay, this is all you need. Ready? Just look. This is all you need. 7 brown paper lunch bags, which were oddly really hard to find. Apparently there was a run on brown paper lunch bags at Halloween. And a pair of scissors and a glue stick. Okay. Erica, are you so excited? Ooh! This is what you do. Step 1, you take 1 brown paper bag. Oh no, I've forgotten a little bit. Just a second. You take 1 of your brown paper bags, and you take your glue stick, you wind it up a little bit, and look at this. You're gonna go 1 little glue run there, and then 1 up the center, okay? Again, 1 and 1. And then you take your next bag, ba-bum. See how this little flap here? Put that down like this, and then press it. Press it, and then do the same thing. Watch how fast I can go. Are you so curious what we're gonna make?
Yeah, it looks like a bunch of paper bags right now.
I know. It's just like when I made the first one, I had to stop everybody that I was passing by to show them because I couldn't stand how excited I was. Okay, and this. So I'm just repeating the steps. So strip at the bottom and then up the center. Make sure you get from side to side when you go on the bottom. So pretty easy. Okay. Final bag. So now you have 7 bags glued like a craft hero together. And now you're gonna wait for 10 minutes. Pretend 10 minutes. Okay. Hello. How was your 10 minutes? Did you have a snack? Did you go outside? Did you walk your dog? Did you listen to 3 of your favorite songs? Okay, so we're back. Remember we glued 7 of these brown paper bags together. Now you're gonna take your scissors and you're going to take your scissors at the opening part, and on one side you're gonna cut, oh no, why are our scissors always so dull? You're gonna cut an angle, like this, okay? And then on the other side, you're gonna do the same. You're gonna mirror. You need to put scissors on the list. You're gonna mirror that angle. And you probably have really sharp scissors at home. Oh my. You see me throw the scissors. Here we go. Okay, you ready? So here's your brown paper bag. Here's your opening. I feel like I might be getting emotional for how beautiful this is going to be. You're going to want to hang these up all over town, all over the world.
Wow.
I feel like we need a children's choir serenading us in the background for this.
Wow.
I mean,
That is a giant snowflake.
it's a star, I think. Is it a snowflake? I think it's a star.
It could be whatever you want it to be.
What is this? Can we see it? So your next step would be to staple the top, get a string, and hang it on your front porch.
And then
I've got about 5,
spray
maybe
paint it
6.
yellow.
Oh my gosh. Or whatever color you want. Or give it as a gift. Whoop. And then you know what? The season's over. Throw it in your box, your Christmas box.
Christmas box.
You want to see it again? What?
It's so smooth.
I would call this elegant.
I would call that elegant too.
There you go. 7 paper bags, 1 glue stick, 1 pair of dull or sharp scissors. Craft hero.